Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to set up your Bush Android TV for the first time. Firstly, press the power button on the remote. Next, use the remote to scroll to your required language. Then press OK. If you have an Android phone, press OK on the remote and follow the on-screen instructions. If you do not have an Android phone, scroll down and press OK. Use the remote to scroll to your Wi-Fi network connection. Then press OK on your remote. Use the remote to type in your password. Once you have entered your password, scroll to Enter and press OK on the remote. You can now enter in your Google account information. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one at this stage. Alternatively, scroll down to Skip and press OK on your remote if you would not like to enter your details. If you select Log In, you can enter your details through the device or on a phone or computer. Next, confirm the terms and conditions by selecting OK on each option. Select whether you would like to send diagnostic information by selecting OK on the remote. Alternatively, scroll down and press OK. Press OK on the remote to scroll through the introduction. The TV will then search for accessories. Using the remote, press and hold the left and home buttons for 15 seconds. Then press OK to pair the remote to the TV. The TV will then display some of its features and functions. Next, scroll to your desired country and press OK on the remote. Press OK on the remote to proceed. Enter a new security PIN using the remote. Then, type the PIN in again to confirm that it is correct. Choose Home Mode by selecting OK on the remote. Next, select if you would like to enable Chromecast. Scroll to your desired option and press OK. Select the tuner mode on the TV. Press OK on the remote to select your option. Select Scan by pressing OK on the remote. Once the scan is complete, press OK on the remote to finish the setup. Finally, select Continue by pressing OK on the remote. Your Bush Android TV is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.